YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World. I'm back. Just like I told y'all in my last video, I will be pumping out content. I will be doing constant unboxing. The restock on my collection is real right now. So that's what this video today is going to be about. Yesterday was an unboxing from Nike.com. Today is going to be a pickup that I got at another super steal price. I just can't stop. I can't get away from searching for deals to find stuff that I want to add to my collection. I hope y'all like what I got. It's right here. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Be right back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try not to make this video too long today. I'm just gonna try to get right into what I caught, what I picked up, and it's right here. Mailman just dropped it off. It's coming from Mississippi, right from the company, but via eBay. eBay, like I said, is a huge resource and a great way to pick up steals. You just got to be careful, know what you're looking for, and look at the person's feedback. This comes direct. The company actually sells on eBay, so they got 100% feedback, thousands of positives. So let's get right into it. There's no box, it's just a bag with the sneaker box inside. Let's see what we got. I don't know why I'm cutting that. Let's see what we got in here. And as I'm sure some of y'all might have seen by the box, get that out of here. From Asics, and this, I got these for $64.99. $64.99. As you can see, just a regular blue, gray Asics box. Now, Asics run a little snug, so I went a half size up. I wear 10.5. These are size 11. And as you can see, these say red and black, but when I open this box, I already know what they look like, but when I open this box, you will see that they're not just red and black Asics, but they are oh my God. Oh, let me pull both of them out. All right, I got what I want, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't care about that no more. And as y'all can see, these are the Gel Lyte 5s. And I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to wear with these because of all the colors that are in this sneaker. But this is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Look at this. Look at this sneaker. You got the Oreo speckle on the midsole. You got the nubuck side panel, red toe box. You got the heel dripping black. They got every color. The laces. You got oh man, these are crazy. These are even better in hand, in person, than I anticipated just from the picture. Like I said, I probably just get like a black and a red and black flannel or something like that and freak these. But that's one thing that I love about Asics. They come in the craziest colorways that are super dope that you don't find on a lot of other sneakers. There's a lot of sneakers releasing these days where it's one sneaker and they just releasing a whole bunch of ridiculous colorways that you can't really get behind. You try to act like like foams. I love foams. I grew up on foams. It was one of my first sneakers when I was a kid to add to my collection. But I only liked a few of the colorways because they just went ridiculous with them. But these, wow, I really like these. Y'all let me know, in the comments below how y'all feel about these right here. Do y'all like these? $64 on eBay from the Asics company in Mississippi. But yeah, so I can't stop looking at these, man. I'm really excited to put these on. At some point I'll start doing on foot, adding those to the videos and stuff like that. I'm not really there yet, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you know what I'm saying? I don't know. But anyway, I can't wait to rock these. I can't wait to find something to put together to go with these. But if I haven't said it already, like, subscribe, continue to get my content, continue to see what I pick up, what I cop. I'm going to be going on vlogs and mall vlogs and outlet vlogs and different things like that. I'm gonna add that to it. Right now here in Ohio, it's freezing cold and we about to get a snowstorm on top of that. So it's gonna be a lot of online orders. They're gonna have to bring me my kicks. But anyway, like, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be doing a few more unboxings this week alone. So I'm expecting at least 2 more pairs of sneakers, 1 tomorrow, hopefully 2 or 3 tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I got some more coming. Some more things that y'all might actually be into. I don't know, because this is my swag for a lot of the time. Anyway, I'm rambling. So anyway, like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know how y'all feel about these, and I'll talk to y'all later, man. I couldn't be happier. OVE!